Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very last minute video. I did not think I will be doing one Valentine look for YouTube, but I ended up doing it anyway. I had time. So today we are going to do some nice look. I don't have any look in my mind as such, but I think I've been doing this one look lately, so I think I will just show you how I do that. So that's it. There's no foundation or anything in this routine. It's just concealer, considering we are all wearing masks, so like that. And every product that I'm using will be mentioned in the description box, so if you want to buy anything you can go there. And I will also mention all the discount and coupon codes that I have for separate apps, so that when you shop you get some discount. So let's just get started. So first of course I'm going to use the primer. Now I'm using this one because it's going to get expired if I don't. It is a good primer. It's very expensive too. It is the Professional from Benefit. So I have not been following a proper skincare routine, so I think my pores are screaming right now. I've already done my eyebrows, as you can see, but I haven't that's my mirror, but I haven't like cleaned them with a concealer or anything, so I'll show you how I do it without a concealer. Get you guys closer in. So what I do is I take a Q-tip like this that has like a pointier end to it. I take Bioderma, just dunk it in, remove the excess, and then I just go in around the edges to clean it up. It's the easiest thing you can do if you don't like a lot of concealer on your face or like on your eyelids or something like that. It's clean and proper without a concealer. This is the best hack. I need to open my hair. Do you guys also get this? Like whenever I'm tying my head will start hurting. Okay, I'm back with the hairband. And now we can start. Okay, let's just go in with the concealer first. I'm going to use two concealers from Maybelline itself. First I'm going to add medium. I lost my mirror again. Oh, got it. So I have this one that will go right under my eyes, on my nose. I'm getting a lot of redness around here lately. By the way, I am taking consultations, like one-on-one consultations, which is absolutely free of cost, like no hidden charges, nothing. And if you want to know more about it, and if you want the details, and if you want a one-on-one consultation with me, or if you want to shop with me online, then all you have to do is DM me. I'll leave my Instagram link down below. If you're interested, just drop me a DM. I'll let you know what the steps that you need to follow to get on a video call with me and talk about your beauty problems. It's very easy and it is free of cost, and this looks really nice. I also have a coupon code for Foxy, which I will leave in the description box below. So if you shop anything from Foxy, you'll get a discount. So next I'm going to use the shade Neutralizer. It's a highlighting shade, and I'm going to just, this is the quantity, I don't want to overdo it, a little bit here, and that's it. Now I will set my under eyes a little bit. I'm using my favorite powder. It's the K-Beauty loose powder, and I'm in the shade Vanilla. I'm just going to set my under eyes with it a little bit. I'm not baking, I'm just taking it in the puff and just setting it. If you have like dry skin if you don't want your powder to look too cakey, and if you feel like the existing powder that you're using is too cakey, go for this powder. It's so nice. I'm really liking K-Beauty products, to be honest. Let's see if today we can use a K-Beauty lipstick, because I have to see if it goes with the look or not. Let's just do our eyes first. I'm going to use this new palette that I got from My Glam. It's the Manish Malhotra one. I love the packaging, but I don't know how the product is. Literally, this is the first time I'm going to use it. Then it has a nice mirror, you can see my camera. Okay, let's just do this. So I'm going to use this palette. I have never used this before, and I do not want to go for like any pink or red looks because I think they're too overrated for Valentine's Day. So we're gonna do a classic smoky eye with a bit of gold. So I just took the brown one and I'm creating a crease, like I'm applying it in my crease. It's very easy. And if you want to see a proper like pinky Valentine's Day look, you can go to my Instagram. I have already put up a look there using all Rockstore NYX products, so you can go and check that out. And then after I'm done with the crease, I'll take more pigment and I'll just stamp it in the outer corner and blend it upwards, and then I'll stamp it in the inner corner so that you can create a halo eye look. Taking a clean brush, I'm just going to blend all the edges. So for the gold, I'm going to use my fingers. It's very pigmented, like it's extremely pigmented. So I'm going to go in with a very little quantity of, oh my god, look at that. It looks like I've applied like real gold. I think the entire palette cost went into this shade, literally. Okay, so let's just do the rest of our face and then we'll come back to our eyes as usual. First, I'm going to bronze up my face and do all the contouring. This nameless brush, and I'm taking the NYX palette, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two shades for bronzing, and I'm going to take these two shades. I'm going to apply it really closely here. Okay, so now I'm going to do blush, and for blush I have this new one from Myglam. It is called the Clean Beauty Cocoa Butter Lip and Cheek Tint. It's very fat. And is there any shade? Yeah, the shade is French Rose. Ooh, it's pretty. I don't know how much the camera is picking up, but it's really pretty. Okay, so now use another blush just to top it off and get a little bit of glow and shine going on. So I'm going to use this MAC Extra Dimension blush in Rosy Cheeks. I really like this one. And I'm using this Pro Art PP16 brush. And I'm just going to do this. So next I'm going to use this trick that Patrick Ta uses. So I'm going to take my... This actually comes off. So I'm scared. So I'm going to take this and apply it on my crease a little bit just to make the look cohesive. I think it looks very pretty and not odd at all. So I'm going to take this and just like blend it in my crease. I'm loving my blush today, and you see it looks like pretty. Wow, it really does look a lot prettier. So we are actually almost done, just our eyes and lips are left. But before that I'm going to set my eyebrows, so I'm just going to comb them up. And for today I'm going to use this Essence one. This is Make Me Brow. So just like that, looks very nice. Ooh, I'm loving this. I just did my eyebrows today, so they're looking nice. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the same brown shade. And I think I'm going to do a little bit extra with the gold there also. Let's see. So I'm just taking it from here. So for the inner corner, I'm not taking a lot of pigment. I'm actually removing it on my hands. So the gold has a lot of fallout. Can you see? So I'm going to tight line using the PAC round pencil. What I'll do, something is missing I'm feeling, so I'm just going to take the black, just do a fake liner. So I'm taking this and applying it a little bit in the outer corner also. Okay, it's time for curling the lashes and using some mascara, and I'm going to use the Bad Girl Bang and I'll be right back. Okay, so the mascara is done. I wanted to wear falsies, but I cannot find my lash glue, so we are leaving that out. So that's it. I kind of want to bronze up a bit more, but I'm not going to do that. I know it's not required. So now all that is left is lips and highlighter. So first I'll do highlighter, and I'll use a cream one first, and then I'll go in with the powder one. So this is from Victoria's Secret. It's the Just Say Glow highlighter. For today's one, I really wanted to use this one. It's Merry Luminizer. Do the highlighter. So if you're going out at the night time, then you can use both the highlighters. If it's just day, you can just go in with any one, because or else you will not really like the glow that it will give you. Now for the lips, I'm very confused on what should I do, but I kind of have something in my mind too. So I'm going to use the lip liner. I've been really enjoying this lip liner. Again, it is from My Glam and it's called Basic. It's just like my lips and like no difference in the shade. It's a bit cool toned. I love this one. So you can just stop anywhere you want, but I want to do some extra stuff. So this, I'm going to like dab a little bit of this on my lips. You see how naturally my lips are looking so plump without overlining or doing anything. It's because of a technique. If you want to learn it, come to my Instagram. I might film it as well. I do want some gloss on top, and maybe I'm going to, let's see what happens. So I'm going to apply Stepping Out on top of it. So it's like, if brands are not making your favorite nude combo, just make yours. And I'm going to top it off with some Fenty Beauty gloss. It's in the shade Fuzzy. You can use any lip gloss that you have. So yes, that is my very sultry, non-red or pink Valentine's Day look. I really like how it turned out, especially without a foundation and all of that. I think the skin is looking really healthy and you don't have to worry about getting your foundation off. And of course you cannot apply the gloss, that's all up to you. And yeah, so this was the video for today. I have linked every product down in the description box below, and do check them out, and I'll see you next time.